This is Sam from Fireteam Sovereign presenting Lycoming Anglers Club multi-event claybird competition on October 6th, 2019. This match consisted of 4 events: wobble trap, 16-yard trap, 23-yard trap, and sporting clays. I was the only member of Fireteam Sovereign to participate, so I took Camera Guy with me. I chose to use my Mossberg 500 for this shoot rather than borrow a more trap-oriented gun. Stay tuned until the end of the video for an after-action report from the range.
Whoa! 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 I don't know what's going on. I can't figure out where I'm at.
I can't. I'm watching you, so I can't see them. Unless you want me to watch them for you.
Whoa! 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 Yeah. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I have no idea where you.
I don't know either. So point, shoot. That's really all I can do. Whoa! 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 I got an idea. shoot as fast as I can. I just did that and it kind of worked, so.
I was watching you on the straightaways. You're whipping up and stopping.
Okay.
The ones before you follow, you shoot.
Okay. Whoa! 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 That's what I gotta do. Shoot as fast as I can.
Then we gotta have a meeting right here.
Whoa! 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 I forgot I don't like trap. Whoa! 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 If I get pissed off enough, maybe that'll work. Whoa! 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 Single. Trap, 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 switch.
Pull, bang. Then you get that one. Way up in the air. Woo!
All right then.
Perfect. Whoa! 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 Yeah, I do too. Whoa! 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 Predictable birds before me. Whoa! 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 Please? Yeah. Whoa! Oh, both? Yeah. Whoa! There we go. Whoa!
It's kind of a dumpster fire. It started off pretty bad. I haven't shot trap since high school, so it's been a long time. And so I'm so used to shooting sporting clays. Everything's different. You don't know what's going on, and everything's moving at completely different motions. And with a trap, it's basically the same thing every time. The first round was wobble, so everything was kind of different, but I was still trying to warm up, so it just sucked. The second round was the actual trap. That was okay. Wasn't great. Third round, so we ended up by mistake, we ended up shooting 2 rounds twice. And we ended up shooting 16-yard trap twice because somebody forgot to mention that we had to stand back further and shoot 16 yards. So the second round of actual trap, I did okay. But then we had to reshoot that at 16 yards, and that was awful. I got 7 out of 25. I honestly, I can't figure out where I was hitting, what I was doing wrong. It got a lot better when we switched to their sporting clay round. So basically you shot 1 round out of the trap house, and then you shot a second bird over your shoulder. That I could do. I think I only missed I missed 2 over the shoulder shots, and then the rest of them I missed were from the trap house. So that's much closer to what I'm used to shooting. But overall, it was fun, but it was bad scoring day. So yeah, if you like that video, let me know. We're going to continue doing this more, but hopefully I'll do better in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe.